I will want to teach you how then do we simplify a rational expression using the rules of exponents. So I have the first question, which says 18x raised to the power of 7 out of 9 x raised to the power of 5. What I simply do, I will want to split this so that to me it looks like 18 out of 9, I am multiplying it by x raised to the power of 7 out of x raised to the power of 5. Then I'll go ahead and now solve this. So to me now it looks a little bit lighter. We will now go ahead and follow the rules of exponent as we solve this. If I have 18 out of 9, I'm simply saying how many times does 9 go into itself is 1. 9 into 18 is 2. Therefore, I'll write this as 2 out of 1 dot. Here, I follow the rules of exponents, which is the division rule or the quotient rule, x raised to the power of 7 minus 5. The quotient rule. Now what do I have? I will then come and have 2x raised to the power of 2. And this is my solution. That is the answer for the first question. I hope you follow through. Look at question 2. I will solve it using the same method. I will split these numbers and now have 5 out of 15. I multiply this by x raised to the power of 3 out of x raised to the power of 9 multiplied by y raised to the power of 4 out of y raised to the power of 2. After I've done this, then again, I will split them out. I know that 5 goes into itself 1, 5 goes into 15 3 times. Therefore, what do I have? 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. For this one here, I follow the rules of quotient that says x raised to the power of 3 minus 9 dot y raised to the power of 4 minus 2. So I'm here. Dot y, therefore we are here. Y raised to power 4 minus 2. Now what do we do? What will be our solution? 1 out of 3 here. X raised to the power of negative 6, y raised to the power of 2. So all this can be written as y times 1 is y squared, everything out of 3, x raised to the power of positive 6. I now write, I get the reciprocal of x raised to power negative 6. It is now written like this, and that becomes the answer, like that. So that is our solution. I'll simply take this into the denominator. I get the reciprocal of this, and then now 6 becomes what? Becomes positive. So that is the solution. I hope you're following through very keenly. I'll move to the third question. And when I'm solving now the third question, I want you to notice something, that while we solve this, then we are talking about the aspect of again splitting that. So it is equal to 21 out of 14 dot. Because I am multiplying and they are not arranged in order, I will simply reshuffle them up and have it as b out of b squared dot a. B is here, so I just brought this b here, dot a raised to the power of 3 out of a squared. With this, then I'll say 14 goes into itself 1. I use a number like, which number are we using? Let us use 7. 7 will go into 14 2. 7 will go into 21 3. Therefore, now what are we having? We are then having 3 out of 2 dot b raised to power 1 minus 2 dot a raised to power 3 minus 2. So from there, what we have now? From here then we'll come and have 3 out of 2 b raised to power negative 1. B raised to power negative 1, because this is 1 minus 2. Then what do we have? We have a raised to the power of 1, because this is 3 minus 1. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is 3a out of 2b. What do? I get the reciprocal of b raised to power minus 1, because it is a negative, to remove that negative on the power, and then I write my answer like that. So that is the answer for question 3. We are still using what? The rules of exponent. Yeah, we are still using the rules of exponents. So that's what we shall have, 3a out of 2b. Look at question 4. I will split it again and have 8 out of 12 dot n. N is what? N is negative 3 out of n raised to the power of 2 dot m raised to the power of 7 out of m raised to the power negative 2. What do? I'll split this using 4. 4 here is 2. 4 here is 3. So what do I have? I have 2 out of 3 here. I use the rules of indices. N dot n raised to the power negative 3 minus 2. Then what do we do here? What we will do here is now we say this one minus dot the negative of that. Then we will say, although even here what we could do as well, we could as well get the reciprocal to remove the negative on the power. Either way, let's go on. Dot n, negative 3 minus 3, dot m, 7 minus 2. What do we have now? It is equal to now 2 out of 3 n raised to the negative 5 m raised to power 9. So this one then we can write it as 2 out of 3. Then we are talking about n raised to the power of 5. Then here m raised to the power of 9. So this is the solution. Follow through that and then you see. So this is how you can then be able to solve using what? The rules of indices. I would like that you follow through that. If you've not subscribed to our channel, give us a subscription, like, share, as we continue to assist many students to learn about this. Thank you for following through.